Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most popular and powerful programming language out there, which is Java. Now, whether you are aiming for app development, enterprise softwares, I would say you need to learn Java for all these sort of things. So let's get started with what is Java. Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Now, the reason behind it being developed is that in those times, many languages that were out there, they had to be rewritten for every platform. But with the innovation of Java, you could run the code on any platform with the help of JVM, which was a big leap in those times. And that is the reason it got the fame back in the days. Now we'll jump into how to write your first Java code and what does the basic demo code means. So if you look over here, we have this public main, mistake, here we go, public class main. So this is the entry class of a Java code. Since this is an object-oriented language, you'll always be revolving around objects and classes. So public main is an entry class and public static void main is the entry method. Now we'll go through overall what these keywords mean. First of all, public means it's accessible from anywhere in the files. Then we'll move on to static. So static is something that we will dive into deeper further when we go for the objects. But for now, you just need to know that you don't need to create an object for some things that's static. Void, on the other hand, is just a method telling you what value it would return when you call it. And string args is for passing some values. I wouldn't be too much bothered about it because this is something that you'll get to know more easily when we dive further into Java. But for now, I wouldn't pay too much mind to it. And then we'll talk about how the Java code runs. But first, when we talk about how Java code runs, let's go over what does this mean. So this is a basic print statement. System.out.println. It's just printing the output to the system. Let's see if I can run it and I'll show you how it happens. So if you look at it, I'll remove the comments on it and run it again. So hello world, this is the basic print statement. Now I've mentioned two different types of print statements in here. Print means it's going to print, but the cursor is not going to jump to the next line when it prints. But when you use println, it's going to print the text and jump to the next line. I'll do a simple demonstration with that. So let's cut this and put it on the top. So if I print this now, it's going to print the whole text and then jump to the next line and print this. When it prints hello world, it would not jump to the next line, not jumping. I'll write here and let's do this and run it again. So now if you look at it, hello world, it jumped to the next line, it's jumping to the next line, printing this text, and then as you can see, since this was print, it didn't jump to the next line and printed the same text on the same line, which is not jumping. So this is the basic print statement that you can use in Java. And then after that, we'll talk about how the Java code runs. Just a short intro. So whenever you write your code, it's in a format called .java file. And that is compiled by a Java compiler into a bytecode, which is a .class file. And all of this bytecode then runs into Java virtual machine, which helps us run the code on any platform. So that's a quick intro into Java and how simple program is structured. Remember, understanding the foundation is a key for diving into further more topics. Found this video helpful? Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll be looking forward to make more videos to help you guys out. And Especially I'm focusing on creating a 5-minute video. It's easier for you guys to get to know Java in a manageable time and become programmers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding, guys.